Hey guys, basically I'm doing arena mode. I'm a bit new to this, but I think I'm pretty good, not bad, not good, but this is just some arena mode thing. Let me know if you guys just want to see more of this, and yeah.
Bro, we're cooking! Grab! Look at us!
Easy, you won. Maybe we just need more people, I guess. Yeah. That was like pretty cool.
We're flaming them!
Yeah. So,
I need a new
Do you saw how good you clean, bro?
my arms to be.
what?
Do you saw how many times that you
How many
clean?
days after today? In the basket, look at my strong muscles!
Depressing.
Bro, I am not skinny. Look.
Badass.
I'm not even that skinny, bro. Come on.
Yeah.
Go.
Come on.
1 second.
I'm trying to flip.
Let's go. We're jumping around like flies!
That's why I said don't mess with me if you're using shotgun.
Yeah.
That was so fast. That was like 5 seconds.
I'm on top. Hey, does anyone want to go to the circus? Anyone want to go to circus?
Purple.
We're looking.
We're the best people. Do you saw how many times I juked you and you were using shotgun? That's crazy.
Does anyone here want to go to circus?
We ain't in adventure mode. We in the
Exactly.
animal company.
Look at my muscles! My muscles! My muscles!
Many times
Why are you Oh, who brought that here? I just saw a great sword here. Why did I just see a great sword here?
Yo! Oh my god! Look at this! That's the last one!
Have fun.
I'm gonna change my outfit. I'm gonna change my outfit, kind of.
Purple.
What do you want?
Get the
What?
sword. Where's the sword?
No, the footballs.
Oh, that's not a sword. That's my
That's a crowbar.
That's a crowbar. Ha! You don't have to stupid sword. Oh, money!
Yo, Crab! I'm different! I'm special!
Oh, he
Ninja
is Ninja Turtle!
Crab, I'm special now!
He
Yeah,
is Ninja Turtle!
I'm special! All the things I watch!
Nah, that's crazy.
Crab, we're ready! Oh my god! Look at us! Keep up! Keep up, Red! Yo, keep up, blue team, keep up!
Oh, I just top it off.
Bro, blue team, can you even keep up?
Last one.
Blue team can't keep up! Blue team won't keep up! Blue team,
Not fair team!
their team.
Skeleton.
Yo,
Wait, pass it. Pass it. Pass it. Friend, pass it. Pass it, friend. Help, friend.
come on.
Let's go. It's gonna be harder to murder this time.
Let me know what you guys mean.
They will be trying to turn it out on us.
Oh my god, we're already done. That was
No
the fastest
fair
one.
team. No fair team. No fair team.
Maybe the station.
There you go.
Well, I was probably losing.
Slow.
How did I get?
Okay, yo, Crab.
No.
Crab, we need to add each other. We're actually such a good duo.
Toddle, can I friend you? Toddle,
We're
can I
actually
friend you?
such a good duo.
Hey, Crab, can I friend you? I'm pretty good at this.
Yeah, can I friend you?
Bro, what did you?
Friend, Toddle, what about me? What about me, Toddle? What about me?
I didn't make it.
Everything just exploded.
What
This is kind of
about
funny.
me? What about me, Toddle? I didn't make it. What about me? Why did you about me?
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky.
What about me?
I believe I can fly.
Everyone on blue team, go!
The best bet is just to play defense at this point.
Bro, look! Oh my god! Oh, he did!
One in the flamingo.
Alright, we're gonna get to the last to end the video.
Toddle,
Alright,
can I
let me
friend you?
know
Those
if
my
you-
Toddle. Can I friend you? Toddle.
Football.
I might post about it more because I kind of just got into it. And yeah, I kind of started like 20-ish minutes ago, or like an hour ago. I don't know. It was like one of my first times playing Arena. And yeah, probably last round till I end the video, guys. Maybe. Bro, I hate how I keep spawning down here because it's done broccoli. No. Whoa, wait.
You beat the pit!
Fair team, no fair team.
No fair team.
Fair teams. Not fair teams. Not fair teams. Come on, red team. Go and lead the red team. Why am I on red team?
Red team is goated.
Jonas, red team always wins because they're built like that.
Exactly, bro. Red team always wins.
Better.
Nah, red team always wins because they're built like that.
Red team's way better.
Bro, we're just built like that.
Red team's just that, bro.
We're just built different. We're just that guy.
Throw it in.
Red team only
my
wins
brother.
because of the
Throw it
same
and
three
click
people.
it.
Yeah, no, same two people.
Oh,
It's usually the same two people carrying.
Everyone on blue team, go mine. Same three people here.
This might be my best round. People told me you could get research points. Hey guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching the video. And let me know if you want more. Bye.